Thanks so much for watching and tuning in today. This weekend was all about working in the yard, and I wanted to share with you a weed eater tip that my dad shared with me, and I promise you I will not be buying this stuff ever again. As a matter of fact, I have already gotten some of these things. They're the pre-cut lines. I usually don't do the yard, but um, if ever I'm needed, I'm available, so to speak. But if you ever use the weed eater wire or the string that goes around the weed eater head, you're going to find this much easier to deal with, as I did. I know you will. It's one simple string. It's a commercial grade trim line, and all you do is attach a small piece of it. You can cut the line in half. My dad shared with me how he does it, and so I'm sharing it with you here. As you can see, you will need some fire, so be careful when using fire. And all it's used for is to create a ball at the end of one of the line, at one end of the line, and then you just string it through, or you thread it through the weed eater head like that. And then once you reattach and secure that head back to the weed eater, this thing lasts for quite a long time. He was explaining to me that he has not had to change out his the wire because it's a commercial grade, and he only uses it around the house, so you can trim off a small piece of the excess as such. So you'll need either a cutting tool or a snipping tool like that. And I want to show you, as he showed me, what this thing is capable of doing. The circumference of that banana tree base is easily over 3.5 inches, easily. And this thing brought it down with no problem. So you can about imagine the strength that you'll have just to do your yard, right? And how long it will last. So I hope this was beneficial for you. It is called 105 Precut line. Try it out, and hey, let me know if you guys use this in your yard. I saw some beautiful wildflowers around the yard while we were cleaning up. They were in a small area, and I took a picture of it. Thanks for watching and subscribing. As always, God bless and enjoy your day.